Hello everyone. Today we start to learn Java programming for beginner. And today I show you about variable and data type in Java programming. Yes, let's start. I have a project Java beginner. I create right click new Java class. Java class and data type. Yes, you can see this is a class. But don't have a public static environment for server music. So I can write public static environment string OGS. Yes. Can run. Yes. Learn more. Right click, run. Yes, you can see data and write more. Let's start. I explain you some data type. Set and get value from variable. Yes. Start. I declare variable int in data type. I set age. Age is variable name. For the data in string. Name. Yes. String name. And the ball data type. Profit. Char. Yes. Example, I have 4 variable and 4 data type. In string double char. String we can store many letter, but char can store just one letter. So I get value from data type from variable name. System print my name is name. Oh, I set default value 8 chú mồm example. Yes, click run. You can see my name is. This is the way to get value from variable to show. Yeah, we can write south control plus space enter. Yes, this is the way to fast for write. Age yes, self to space enter. Gender profit example. Sorry, it's all. Right click run. You can see below. My name is age, gender, and profit. Yes, this is the way. And one way we can write. We can write like this. Name is plus we can select age yes plus gender. This is the two way to write and get value the same too. Yes, plus profit yes, it's all. We can write like this. Right click run. You can see yes, the same too. This is the one way that it's show for data type. The ball mean like the same of float. We can write. Thank you.